In a landmark decision towards gender equality in the armed forces, Supreme Court has upheld permanent commission for the women officers. With permanent commission being granted, women in the army will have similar career prospects and opportunities as their male counterparts. Rejecting the women are responsible for domestic duties, the apex court said the government needs to change its mindset in order to end gender discrimination in the armed forces. Permanent commission will now be given to women officers in all branches except combat, where women have not been inducted. The centre has to implement the Supreme Court order in 3 months. The Supreme Court was hearing centre's appeal challenging the Delhi High Court ruling in 2010 for granting permanent commission to women officers in the army. The centre has told the apex court troops are not yet mentally prepared for women officers to lead them, citing psychological features of women.
We were seeking for parity in terms of permanent commission. It is, see, it's a process which has evolved over the year and during the passage of time. Our organization is the best. That's why we want to serve. हम मानते हैं कि ये जो बदलाव है ये सारी आर्मी की सभी लेडीज को ऊपर उठाएगा. Not only in army, all the girls across country or the world.
आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए इस फैसले के आ जाने से आज एक रास्ता बहुत ही क्लियर हो गया है. उनको डायरेक्शन मालूम है कि किस तरीके से शुरू से आकर ही मेहनत करके अपनी मुकाम को हासिल करना है. हम सब बहुत खुश हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स टू द जुडिशरी, थैंक्स टू इंडियन आर्मी एंड थैंक्स टू दैट ऑलमाइटी.
It's a very landmark decision. So obviously what's more important is that we all get to serve the same term as the male officers, which itself speaks about parity. We will go on to proving ourselves again further ahead. And I think from the defenses that we've presented, it's very evident that, we have done well. All the lady officers have done well. So that's why the decision has come this way, and we're thankful for it.
Today is a very big path-breaking judgment, I would say, on the part of Supreme Court of India and for the Indian Army, because now the entire ethos of running the army with women in command has to come in, and there has to be a mindset change within the organization. And I'm sure the army will stand up to it, and women officers will also be accepted as commanders wherever they are, because they are in no way, any way lesser than men.
We really welcome this Supreme Court judgment. For so many years, women in the defense forces have been fighting for the constitutional right to equality. And now the Supreme Court has upheld that right. And it has also nailed the utter hypocrisy of the Modi government, which till the last minute was fighting against granting women equality in the defense forces.
You've made me an engineer, you've given me a signal corps. Why can't I head the signal corps? That's it. You've taken women in the service corps. Why should women not head the service corps? Education corps. Lady officers were already commanding the male officers, and there was never a problem. These are arguments which do not find truth in the real life, and certain arguments were just advanced by certain authorities only to battle a certain mindset.
This was a long-drawn battle which was being fought for more than 10 years, and now it has been given to them. So it is going to be a wonderful future for all the women in India.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.